Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious banana bread. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 3 or 4 very ripe bananas, which are key for flavor and moisture. Also, have 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, and 1/2 cup of melted butter ready. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now, let's get to mixing. Start by mashing your 3 or 4 ripe bananas in a bowl until they are mostly smooth. In a separate, larger bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, the 1½ cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Then, in another bowl, combine the mashed bananas with the 1/2 cup of melted butter, 1 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix these wet ingredients well. Next, it's time to bring everything together. Carefully add your dry ingredient mixture into the wet banana mixture. Fold them gently until they are just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make your banana bread tough. Once mixed, pour the batter evenly into a greased 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. Place it in a preheated oven and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 1 hour, or until a toothpick comes out clean. After your banana bread is baked to golden perfection, the waiting game begins. Let it cool in the loaf pan for about 10 minutes. This helps it firm up before you try to remove it. Then, carefully transfer the loaf to a wire rack to cool completely. While it's tempting to slice right away, cooling ensures a better texture. Once cooled, slice into generous pieces and enjoy your delicious, homemade banana bread. It's perfect for breakfast or a snack.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.